Hi guys, welcome to my mini vlog again. It's me, Kanye, so we're here for another vlog. So ngayon vlog ko is, part 1 trying to finish collapsing tower. Yes po, di ko pa to natatapos. Tapos, isang beses lang ako dapat malalaglag. So, mag-mute muna ako. Mute mic. Okay. Isang beses lang ako dapat malalaglag. Hello guys, as I promise, isang beses lang. So, nilaglag ako. So, balik lang kayo sa part 2. Bukas kayo ipapost. Yep. After school, mga 4:30. 4:30, yes. Or mga, I think, after ko mag-school, saktong 4 or 3:30. Pero 4 yung ma-post. Okay. At shout out kay Matcha. Nakita ko lang kaya shout out ko na. So, yun lang. Thanks for watching, bye guys. So, I hope you subscribe and like this video. Bye! And follow me on Roblox. My name is Kitty Kit Cat Miss. All small letters. So, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.